Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle cassette in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle cassettes to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Ryro Ultralight Road Bike Freewheel. Specifications: brand name, Goldix. Model number, Ryro. Customized, no. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 11 speed. Material, carbon steel. Gear teeth, 28 to 34 T. Freewheel speed, 10. Components, Freewheel. Number 4 is Shimano DURA-ACE CSR 9200. Specifications: brand name, Shimano. Model number, CSR 9200. Type, road bike freewheel. Material, titanium. Gear teeth, 11T. Freewheel speed, 12. Origin, JP Origin. Components, Freewheel. As the item number 3, we've selected CTTO Ultralight Road Bike 11 Speed Cassette. Specifications: brand name, CTTO. Type, road bike freewheel. Customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 11 speed. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 11 to 36 T. Origin, mainland China. Components, Freewheel. Number 2 is CTTO MTB 12 Speed 10-50 T Eagle Cassette. Specifications: brand name, CTTO. Type, MTB bike freewheel. Customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 10 to 52 T. Freewheel speed, 12. Origin, mainland China. Components, Freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have ZRACE XDR 12 Speed Cassette. Specifications: brand name, ZRACE. Model number, ZRACE XDR. Type, road bike freewheel. Customized, no. Material, carbon steel. Gear teeth, 28 to 44. Freewheel speed, 12. Origin, mainland China. Components, Freewheel.